We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to bring you a comprehensive overview of the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2024, a hand-controlled mini drone toy designed for children aged 6 and up. This flying orb ball incorporates a gyroscope and a smart AI chip that enables intelligent flight patterns. Its unique feature is the ability to create different flight lines and a boomerang effect depending on the throwing angle and speed. This toy is not only entertaining, but also helps improve children's hand-eye coordination, operating skills, intelligence, and creativity. The drone is made from high-grade ABS material, making it lightweight and flexible enough to withstand numerous crashes. Its propellers are safely enclosed within the orb, eliminating any risk of injury from the blades. Charging is simple and convenient via USB, taking about 25 minutes to fully charge and providing 8 to 10 minutes of flight time. An LED indicator shows charging status, enhancing ease of use. One of the key advantages of the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball is its versatility. It can be flown indoors or outdoors without requiring a large open space. The flight pattern is smooth, and the boomerang effect adds an exciting twist to the play experience. This makes it an excellent backyard activity and a great conversation piece for family gatherings, schools, or holiday events. It also serves as an engaging way to introduce children to basic physics and aerodynamics concepts. Users have praised the toy for its fun factor and the quality of its build. Many parents report their children loving the orb, and some even mention pets enjoying the light-up feature. The size is considered ideal, not too big or too small, making it easy for kids to handle. The quick USB charging without the need for disposable batteries is another appreciated feature. Several buyers have purchased multiple units as gifts for children of various ages, noting that the toy is a hit among boys and girls alike. However, some users have found the drone to be somewhat temperamental. Its flight can be affected by indoor versus outdoor environments, and it may require practice to master the controls. The drone is sensitive to small deviations in the throwing angle, and the motor limits the propeller speed to prevent it from flying too high. This means that achieving the boomerang effect or levitation takes time and patience. Customer service has been responsive in providing instructions and support to help users get the most out of the toy. There have been reports of quality control issues, such as receiving units that do not function properly, or parts like the switch cover falling off. Despite these concerns, the manufacturer has shown good customer service by offering replacements or refunds and addressing user questions professionally. Some users have expressed frustration with the difficulty of accessing internal components for repairs or adjustments, which can affect long-term durability. In terms of play experience, the orb zips around quickly and can be unpredictable, especially indoors, where it may knock over objects if not carefully controlled. It is recommended to play with it outside or in a spacious area to avoid accidents. The lightweight design helps minimize damage, but caution is still advised. The LED lights add a cool visual element, although their novelty may wear off after a short time. Overall, the Tikduck Flying Orb Ball 2024 is a fun and innovative toy that offers a unique flying experience. It stands out for its hand-controlled operation, enclosed propellers for safety, and educational value. While it may require some learning to master and has occasional quality concerns, the positive customer service experience and the joy it brings to children make it a worthwhile purchase. It is a great gift option for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions, suitable for kids, teenagers, and even adults who enjoy interactive gadgets. If you already own this flying orb ball, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description to support the channel and provide easy access for those interested.